how you can make money on YouTube without making videos. I'm going to show you examples of people that are actually doing this. We're going to go through the exact steps to make this happen for yourself. And there's absolutely no reason why you cannot make money using this strategy, because so many people are doing it right now and it's working, and they're getting paid every single month, the 21st of the month. Let's jump straight into the video. Make sure to watch the entire video because I'm going to go through step by step what you need to do to make money on YouTube. So if you guys don't know, there's this guy called Chase Namick, and he makes a lot of money on YouTube. So here is his Instagram, and you can see right here that he's filming a video. So his channel made $156,000 in 1 year. He didn't go to work. He does this all from home, and he doesn't even make these videos. He gets someone else to make them for him. So you could see right here that he's getting paid every month $25,000, and this is just from one channel, and he just shows the amount of money that he makes. So what he does is he has multiple channels that make him plenty of money every single month. So you can see right here that he made $72,000 in 1 year. So that's just with one channel. He said he purchased this channel in April, and it's been a $5,000 to $20,000 a month machine since. So there's absolutely no reason why you cannot do this. There's nothing special about this person. The only difference between other people and him is that he actually started posting videos on YouTube, and now he's getting paid hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month, and you can do exactly the same. So I'm going to show you examples of channels that are doing this so that you can just go to them and literally copy them. We're not going to copy them exactly, but you're going to take inspiration from these channels and use them as a benchmark for your channels. So here's an example right here. This channel is called Mulligan Brothers, and what they do is they make motivational videos. So this is their channel. They have 1.24 million subscribers, and they started in 2013. But guys, I'm going to show you channels that started even more recently and how crazy this whole thing is. Now, something special about the motivation niche right here, which is what this channel is they make videos about motivation. People are going to come back to these videos and watch them more than once, which is a great advantage. Now, something that you can see right here that all these people do is they make videos that are longer than 8 minutes. So this video was 11 minutes. You can see this video was an hour long. So something that they do is they put multiple mid-roll ads in their videos. So I'm going to show you exactly what they do. So you can see right here that they are monetized, right? So this is an interesting niche because they're not making any of these videos, but they are completely monetized. We're just going to skip through this video, and you're going to see that an ad's going to start playing. So there's multiple ads placed throughout this video. These ads just keep on changing, and every time someone clicks over here, every time someone watches this video, multiple ads play and this person gets paid. So that's how YouTube works, guys. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in order to get monetized, in order to have these ads placed on your video. And once these ads are placed on your video, you're gonna start getting paid from Google every 21st of the month. So this motivation niche right here has a very high CPM, and that means that they get paid much higher than other niches for every 1,000 views. So this is because advertisers are going to want to pay a higher amount for this niche, and that's probably because people that are watching these videos have more money than the regular person. So this niche has a higher CPM. Now you can make these videos. It's pretty simple to do. You don't have to make them, well, you can decide to make them yourself if you want to, but you can also get someone else to make them for you. Now, what you're going to want to do is go to a place called Fiverr. Guys, this is how this business model works. You pay them $50 to $60 for each video, but guys, guess what? With each video that you make, you're going to make way more money back. It's just a little investment for a lot more return. You can see this video got 364,000 views. And I know that the motivation niche has about a $28 CPM. or even higher. So let's see how much this video right here made. So that's 364 times 28 equals, guys, $10,000 from one video. This is absolutely crazy. Just imagine getting $10,000 every single month from one channel, and you can make multiple of them, guys. The amount of money that you can make on YouTube is absolutely unlimited because you can make multiple channels. So we're just going to go through these channels right here to see exactly what they're doing. So this video right here has 20 million views. So just imagine that this video right here has about a $10 CPM. Just even $10. So 20,000 times 10 equals $200,000, and they probably have a higher CPM than this. So we're just gonna skip through this video. We just clicked on this video and they're getting paid by us. They're getting paid by YouTube. This video was 1 hour long, and they are super duper smart because they have just I am affirmations for success, wealth, and happiness. So with this kind of video right here, you're not going to have any issues with copyright or monetization because this video is completely original. That's what you want to do. You want to have completely original content if you can. That is the best way to go. But if you don't want to do that, you can definitely do what the Mulligan brothers are doing and still make a lot of money. And this amount of money right here that Social Blade is saying is much lower than what they're actually making. Let's say that their CPM is about $28 and they have 5 million views. So 28 times 5. Let's see. That's $140,000, and they're probably getting even more than that, guys. So there's an unlimited amount of money that you can make on YouTube, and don't forget that you are no different from the people that started these channels. There's nothing special about them. You can definitely do it as well. So let's go check another channel. This one is called Ben Lionel Scott, and you can see that this video that they posted I think that was like 4 months ago or like 7 months ago. It got 4.6 million views. Let's see how many views they have in total. So in total, they have 138 million views, and they started in 2013. Something else that you can do in order to monetize your channel is use affiliate links in your description. Let's see if this channel is doing that. So here an ad is playing again. So they're definitely monetized. So let's see. Yep. This channel is selling hoodies and t-shirts, and let's see what else they're selling. Hoodies and t-shirts with different quotes on them. So that's something that you can do, and people are going to buy this stuff. This is a whole nother way that you can make money. You just have simple quotes. So pain is temporary, pride lasts forever. So this one t-shirt is $21. So let's see how much money they would make if 100 people bought one shirt. So 21 times 100 equals 2,100. So that's an extra $2,100 per month that you're making from selling simple t-shirts. And they're just using the traffic that they get onto their channel to buy stuff from their t-shirt store. Now let's see what else they're doing. So it doesn't look like they have any other affiliate links in their bio, but what you could do is definitely add as many as you want. And the traffic that you get to your channel is going to be your customer that clicks on your link, and if someone buys a product from a link in your description, you're gonna get paid. So that's a whole nother way that you could monetize your YouTube channel. So here's yet another channel doing exactly the same thing, and don't ever think that, oh, other channels are doing this, I'm not gonna make it, like it's too late. It's never too late to start. It's never ever too late to start. Don't ever have that mindset. You have to have the mindset of like, you're gonna make this, like you're gonna make this happen. So this channel started in 2014 and they have 77 million views. Guys, there are millionaires being made on YouTube there are people making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. Just going back to this, I just want you guys to look at this again, guys. Look at how much money this guy's channel is making in 1 month. So in November, he made 15,000. In October, 25,000. In September, 22,000. And people don't even make this People don't even make this amount of money in a year, and he's making this on one channel in 1 month. Just imagine having several of them, and it's so possible. So this channel uploads videos, looks like every 3 days, and they're still making a lot of money. So this one's called Absolute Motivation. We're just gonna go to Social Blade and see how much they're. Absolute Motivation. And guys, you don't have to recreate the wheel. All you have to do is, maybe they're not allowing people to show. You don't have to recreate the wheel. All you have to do is copy what is working. Copy what is working, and eventually yours is going to work too. But if you stop, it's not going to work. You have to make sure that you continue going. So let's see what these people are doing in their videos. So here's another ad that's playing. So this person just got paid, again, just by me clicking on this video. So they're just using clips, copyright-free clips, and placing them in these videos, and then having like a sound in the background of a speech of like a famous person. Let's see how they're doing their SEO on their channel. So right here you can see that they have the links to every single video that they're using within their motivational video. So this is the person that they're using. So they have a link back to this person's channel, and you can do the same. So guys, all you have to do is, like I said, go to Fiverr and show them the video that you want to copy, and tell them to make a video that's similar to that. And then a video that's about, longer than 10 minutes will cost you about $50. So let's just go back to that channel and see what they're doing. So these are the kind of ads that play on these videos that get them the high CPM. So the higher the CPM, the more money that you make. And you can just go to these links right here just to see where they're getting their sources from, if you want to make them yourself, or you can get someone else to make them for you. But guys, make sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn more about YouTube cash cow channels and how you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year on YouTube, just like all these people are as well. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.